it's Kay, don't play, and we are back with the Duster. Yeah, Paul did the lines. Can you believe it? Because I can't. Actually, I can. Paul got some brand new jack stands. Daytona jack stands. He did the fuel line. He's got it ran, and he's about to hook it up to the carburetor. So we're very excited. Oh, the neck, you guys. And I'm gonna explain if you're new here, okay? If you're new here, this is my 1973 Space Duster. I have been working with Paul. He actually got the car and he's sharing it with me. My first Mopar, muscle car with a big old vroom vroom. So we've been working on getting it back to life, and I've been posting here on YouTube, and it's been very, very great of a journey. And if it wasn't for YouTube and TikTok, because I post on TikTok as well, we wouldn't be right where we are today. So thank you for watching. Thank you for encouraging, commenting, all that. Because I've been here for about a month and a half, and it's gone very well, you guys. So, what do you think? So what have you done?
I hooked up.
Hooked up.
We all hooked up.
Got fuel to the...
Got fuel to the
that
car.
when we get to spinning it over, that will come too.
So you got fuel to the discombobulator right here.
And that tank comes out, fuel comes out of it, so we ain't gonna have no problem.
Yes! We didn't have to take it apart?
What, the carburetor?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
You might need a new flux capacitor though.
No, we don't need none of that shit. We need.
It does not need a flux capacitor. It's fine. It's cranking. It sparked right up. Talking about a distributor.
Okay.
You don't know?
You can use it for anything. It's flux capacitor, man.
Flux capacitor. All right, guys.
Okay.
I think I might cry.
Underneath now. We need some clamps, man.
Oh, we need some. Okay, Trader Joe's. We need to go to what's the place?
Dollar store.
The dollar store.
I'm sure they sell that clamp. Sure.
What's that place? Harbor Freight.
Yeah, we went this
We're
morning.
gonna be in there today.
Oh.
That's where we got the jacks. Check the new jacks out.
I've seen
They're
that.
Mopar orange.
Mopar orange.
Damn right, I'm orange all the way.
Penny orange.
Hammy orange.
Nah, it's not orange, but it's penny.
Okay. I need that drill. Where my drill at?
The drill's right there.
Fuel neck's fine. I did that. I cleaned that out.
And I need these.
I've been working on the inside, cleaning it out a little bit. I cleaned the glass, you guys. Look back here, you guys. Check that out. You can put like your tools, or like if you're going on vacation, you don't even have to open the trunk. You could just reach back there, or groceries or whatever.
Okay, but it's nice.
We're about to lay down right there, baby.
Yeah.
Check this out. This is a air cleaner pan. Well, I've only seen one on a YouTube video at the Mopar Nationals. So that's kind of cool.
it's stopped up. We got dirt in it. When we try to crank it with that old hose, that's what happened.
We've got it going. Paul got it going on. And,
Try them bumpers. We ain't even got them bumpers out to try.
yeah.
It's in a good place to put them on, too. But I don't know how to shit that bumper look like it just go back on. But what it was,
Yeah, she's
we
gonna.
had to pull the drive shaft off, put two new U-joints in it, because they're a little loose. That's probably the drive shaft came with this car. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's about what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this up. We need to get the bumpers on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get them over there and bring them over here. I don't mind working on the ground.
Looks mean.
All the way around.
Yeah.
If you put all that chrome back on this thing, it's gonna look good. It ain't chrome, it's aluminum. Well, I guess I'm gonna try to move them two cars and cut the grass right there so I can back them back in there.
Okay, I talked to Paul. He said that he has to make sure that the brakes are working good before he lets me drive it. He would never forgive himself if I hurt myself. So I'm going to respect the patience and listen to Paul. Respect the car because it's very, very old. The brakes haven't been changed in at least 6 years. We know that. So Paul's just gonna make sure everything's good. It's got discs on the front and drums on the back. I have been pumping the lines for a long time, about 6-7 months, but we never know until, Paul just wants to make sure. He wants me to be safe. And then we're going to put the bumpers on it. We're going to just make sure everything's good to go, In about a week, we will probably be driving it down in Biloxi. Make sure you subscribe so that you can see the future videos.